Hi everybody, in this video I'll let you guys know how can you make big text in Discord. In order to make big text in Discord, you have to follow the steps. So open up your browser and log into your discord.com. Once logged in, you will then be taken to the home page. Make text bigger or smaller, it's just the trick that you have. So you just have to make sure that the prompts are correct. Now first of all, open up this chat page where you want to do it. Now here what you have to do is there are only 3 steps necessary for this. That is, you have to remember the hashtag as well as the star trick. So if you just give a single hashtag or just give one hashtag and give a space and type in the message and hit enter, this is going to be a big text. You could see that, right? And similarly, if you give it 2 hashtag and give it space and type in a message, this is going to be a smaller one. And similarly, what you could also do is for the star, you could use this. You could just give it 2 star and type in the text. Make sure to close this out as well and give it text, and this is going to be smaller. So likewise, the amount of hashtag you use, that's going to indicate the size of a text. For example, if you use 1 hashtag, that's going to give you a bigger text. If you use 2 hashtag, that's going to give you a smaller text. Likewise, if you use a 3 hashtag, it's going to give you much lesser than the 1. So you just have to remember this thing. That's how you could make big text in Discord. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.